What if you ate a candle? Yep, that waxy, scented, romantic dinner table buddy. Let's say you mistook it for white chocolate and took a big old bite. What now? So, you take a bite. Instant regret. It's chewy, greasy, and tastes like your soap tried to fight back. Most candles are made of paraffin wax, a byproduct of petroleum. That's basically refined oil, not edible. Your saliva will try to break it down, but wax is waterproof, so it just slides around like a slippery little liar. If it's a scented candle, congratulations! You've also eaten fragrance chemicals like limonene, linalool, and maybe even synthetic dyes. Your tongue? Still judging you. You swallow that waxy mess. It goes down your esophagus slowly, like trying to post a reel with bad Wi-Fi. No real danger here unless the piece is too big. Then we're talking about choking or blockage. Now the candle hits your stomach. The wax is solid, so your hydrochloric acid is like, what am I supposed to do with this? Paraffin wax doesn't dissolve. It just kinda sits there like an awkward guest. Your body will eventually melt a small amount due to warmth, but it won't absorb it. If you ate too much, it could cause stomach cramps, nausea, wax-coated regret. Scented candles are worse. The fragrances and dyes could irritate your stomach lining. Some even contain phthalates, which are used in plastics and are known hormone disruptors. Now the wax blob enters your small intestine, still mostly undigested. It doesn't offer any nutrients, so your intestines go, nice, nothing for us again. In large amounts, the wax can harden and cause a bowel obstruction, especially in kids. You may face constipation and stomach pain. Eventually, your body might poop it out in small, waxy chunks, like you're making birthday candles backwards. So unless you're trying to become a human-scented lamp, eat me not.